Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, cloth upholstery. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.